Hello. Okay, so this is going to be a very short video series, hopefully. It's just going to be basically setting up a Opengl project for version 4.6. We've got this is what we should have at the end of it, or something similar. We won't have lights and materials, but we'll have boxes, we'll have camera movement, and you'll hopefully have a really good understanding of the whole graphics pipeline and how to play with things in shaders, which is what Opengl is all about now. So where to start? We'll be using Glad, not glue, as this one is. Glue is good, but you have functionality for every single version of Opengl. It's kind of heavy. We don't need that much. We're only going to be using the newest version, so we set up Glad to be in the newest version, and the best thing about it is it's customizable, so you can add what you want. And then I'll show you it when we do the actual setup. GLFW will be using graphics library framework. It's really handy. I don't think there's many tutorials that don't use GLFW now. It's all about handling the window and the context and stuff like that. You can pass in, for example, an array to GLFW's functions. Well, no, not the array as such. You can make a function using with an array kind of value for all the keyboard inputs and stuff. I tell you what, we'll go through all that when we actually build the project. And then we've got GLN, the graphics library mathematics, which is really handy again. Something that's in most Opengl projects, tutorials. Sorry, it's even referenced in quite a few books as necessary. What's the word I'm looking for? Anyway, it's good. We want it. What we'll be doing then, we'll be setting up a project with all these, no CMake or anything. I'll be including them manually and showing you how to. Then we will be creating a window class and having it handle all the window stuff. Same with the camera, the mesh, the shader. We won't have these two, the light and the material. But yeah, we'll be writing all these from scratch and then passing information into the shaders and playing with it using uniform variables and vertex attribute locations and stuff like that. It'll be good fun, and the idea is to have something solid and basic that you can have as like the starter place, so that you can basically play with it afterwards. What do I mean by that? Well, luckily I have another project set up to show you what I mean. I was doing something with ray marching in a WebGL thing, and I tried to convert it over to Opengl, and I've ended up with something horrible. But you can see the fun of it. So this is the kind of thing you can do just playing with the shaders. We'll be able to do something better than that in version 4.6 as well because of compute shaders. But that's something else entirely. Right. So I've already got this set up for 4.6, but I will be rebuilding it. This is how simple it's going to be. Nice and clean and tidy. That's what we want. And you can see that we're using 4.6 here by using like some cool functions that basically get all the information. So we've got a 1070 there, GeForce and stuff. So it's working because it's calling the right stuff from the graphics card. But yeah, I think that covers it. In the next video, we'll basically set up this project. Not with this lot, but with this lot and potentially the window as well. We'll see how it goes. And another thing that's going to be important that is any errors that I find, I will be recording through the entire process of finding out what's wrong, where it's wrong, and that's important. That's missing in so many tutorials. You don't get a chance to have an error and think, oh, well, you don't get to have the chance to have an error really, and when you do have an error, you're completely lost. So that's what's going to be different. You're going to be hunting through the errors in the videos, which is going to be fun. So yeah, hopefully it'll be good.